Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we have a special treat for all you frugal adventurers. In this video, we're diving into the secret budget getaways of Japan, where we'll explore the unseen corners of this fascinating country. You might be wondering why we're focusing on these lesser-known locations. As the frugal traveler, we believe affordable travel doesn't have to mean sacrificing unique experiences. We can discover hidden gems that offer a cultural dimension to our journeys by venturing off the beaten path. Japan has a rich history, vibrant traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. But beyond the famous tourist spots, countless hidden treasures await exploring. From secluded mountain villages to tranquil coastal towns, these budget getaways offer a chance to immerse yourself in the authentic Japanese way of life. Throughout this video, we'll be taking you on a virtual tour of these secret budget getaways, showcasing their unique experiences and attractions. You can expect to learn about the best budget-friendly accommodations, local cuisine, off-the-beaten-path activities, and much more. So this video is for you, whether you're a seasoned traveler looking for new adventures or someone who wants to explore Japan on a budget. Get ready to uncover the unseen corners of Japan and embark on a cultural journey like no other. So please sit back, relax, and let's dive into Japan's secret budget getaways. Japan, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, has long been a popular destination for travelers. However, many well-known tourist spots can come with a hefty price tag. Our video, The Secret Budget Getaways, exploring the unseen corners of Japan, comes in here. Catering to the frugal traveler's audience, this video continues the theme of affordable travel while taking you off the beaten path to discover lesser-known yet intriguing locations in Japan. We believe that budget-friendly travel shouldn't mean missing out on unique experiences, and that's why we're here, to show you the hidden gems that offer a cultural dimension to your journey. By exploring the unseen corners of Japan, we aim to expand the channel's global appeal and provide our viewers with a fresh perspective on this fascinating country. Join us as we navigate the challenges and opportunities of traveling on a budget and uncover Japan's best-kept secrets. Prepare for an adventure combining affordability, cultural immersion, and unforgettable experiences. Overall, this video offers a unique blend of affordability, cultural exploration, and hidden gems, making it a must-watch for travelers seeking unforgettable experiences in Japan. In this video, we delve deeper into the topic of budget getaways in Japan, focusing on the lesser-known and intriguing locations that cater to the frugal traveler's audience. While affordability remains a key theme, we also explore the cultural dimension of these hidden corners, which adds a unique and enriching experience to the journey. By venturing off the beaten path, travelers can discover the true essence of Japan away from the crowds and tourist hotspots. These secret budget getaways offer a chance to immerse oneself in the local culture, traditions, and way of life. From exploring traditional mountain villages to indulging in authentic regional cuisine, there are endless opportunities to connect with the heart and soul of Japan. It's important to note that these hidden gems may come with challenges and opportunities. While they may require more effort to reach and navigate, the rewards are often worth it. Travelers can gain a deeper understanding of the local culture, forge meaningful connections with the locals, and create lasting memories beyond the typical tourist experience. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler looking for new adventures or a more authentic and affordable way to explore Japan, this video will inspire and provide valuable insights. Join us as we uncover the secret budget getaways and embark on a cultural journey that expands the channel's global appeal. In conclusion, this video has taken you on a journey to explore the secret budget getaways in Japan. We've shown you how to travel affordably while discovering lesser-known, intriguing locations that offer a unique cultural experience. By venturing off the beaten path, you can immerse yourself in Japan's rich traditions, customs, and cuisine, creating unforgettable memories. The key takeaway from this video is that affordable travel doesn't mean compromising on the quality of your experience. Hidden gems await discovery, offering a more authentic and enriching travel experience. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your budget-friendly adventure in Japan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Like this video and share it with fellow travelers seeking unique and affordable travel experiences. Remember, the world is a hole of hidden treasures waiting to be explored.